Good morning children, Sai Ram. Today in writing skill, we are going to study report writing. Do you know what is report writing? So be ready with your pen and notebook to jot down the important points. In this video, we will discuss what is a report. Then types of report, points to remember while writing a report, format of report writing, and example, that is a sample report. What is a report? It is a first-hand description of an event, process, or incident. The reports which we come across generally are related to crime and accident, education, health, finance, sports, etc. Reports may be written for school magazine, journal, and newspaper. School magazine, you know, already you have, right? Journal, these are reports written by experts on different topics. Now let us see what are the points you should remember while writing a report. First one, it should be written in past tense. Then don't use first person. That is, you should not write I, me, okay? Because it is a report, you are reporting. So it should be written in third person. Right? Then use indirect speech. Direct speech you should not write. No spoken words. Okay? But you have to write in indirect speech. Then use passive voice. Here the event is important. Language should be simple and appealing. That is attractive. Okay? Then very important point, date, time and place of event should be mentioned. Then it should be correct, concise and factual. So you are writing the facts. So it should be correct. And concise means it should be brief. But with few words you have to explain it properly. And since it is factual, it should be correct. So the next important thing is systematic. That is, it should be written in a chronological manner. That is, facts step by step, one by one. Okay? Clear intended reader. That means who is the audience? Since you are writing the report, the teacher is the audience, right? So it should be clear in the fact that teacher should understand properly all the different points. Now what is the purpose of report writing? It enables us to keep records, determines further action, what action to be taken, then helps researchers do their work as in the journals, okay? Then lets other people know about current affairs as you find in the newspapers. Now let's have the format of report writing. First is heading and then body. So in that you have introduction and main content, and then at the end you have conclusion. Now let's see each point. The first important point is heading. Where will you write the heading? In the middle. Then the next thing you have to remember is by student correspondent. This is called as byline. Okay, and this you have to write just below the heading. Okay, here you will not write your name. You have to just write by student correspondent, right? Then Here the next one is venue. Venue means place. Suppose they are asking you to write a report on any event which has taken place in your school, then what will you write the venue? You will write Thane, right? Then put a comma and then write date. Date, then colon. How will you write the date? Here it is given. So 2nd February. So the first point what we have seen, headline. Headline is very important thing in a report, and you don't have to write any articles or preposition. Okay, so the use of articles and prepositions should be avoided wherever possible. The heading should be short, crisp and eye-catching. So by reading the heading only, people should feel like reading it. Okay. The next important point is introductory paragraph, that is introduction. Okay, the introductory paragraph informs the reader about the incident or the event. It is an expansion of the headline. So in the headline you have already written the heading, right? So you are explaining what has happened in the event or the incident, right? Then it answers to the questions what, who, when, where and why. These 5 questions, remember. Okay, so this you have to write in the introductory paragraph itself. So how will you answer? What was the event? Okay, and then who all were involved? Then when did it take place? So you have to write the date, time. Okay, then where did it take place and why? What was the purpose? The next important point under the body of the report is the content. Okay, so the body of the report will give a detailed information. It will give the background circumstances leading to the event, then the name of the people who were involved, then it informs the reader about how and why the incident or the event happened. It may also include comments of the eyewitnesses as they add to the authenticity of the news. Sometimes when an accident has occurred, okay, so if there are some witnesses, so their comments can be quoted to prove that it is authentic. The last point is conclusion. The conclusion should be based on facts. It can be an objective comment on the events reported. The conclusion can be on a positive note. Okay, it will depend upon the question, upon the topics. Now we have an example. See, read the question. Red Cross Society has organized a blood donation camp in TCS Gandhinagar for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the event as a reporter of Times of India. So the report should not be too long. Here it is already written. Write in about 200 words. Now let's have the report. So the heading, you got it. Blood donation camp in TCS. Okay. And then byline is by student correspondent. So you have the place Thane and then the date. Okay. 2nd February 2021, and then you have the colon and then you have to write the report. Okay, now let's have the introductory paragraph. So just after this year you will start writing. Okay, a blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society on 25th March 2021 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at TCS Gandhinagar. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employees. It was a well-planned camp and many employees voluntarily participated in this noble cause. As I told you that the introductory paragraph should answer the 5 questions. Let's see. The first one is what? What was the event? So what was the event? It was a blood donation camp. Okay. And then who conducted it? Red Cross Society. When? 25th March 2021 and timing is given 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Where? At TCS Gandhinagar. Then why? What was the purpose? So what was the purpose? To create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employees. So all these 5 questions you have to answer in the first paragraph itself. Now come to the content part, that is how it was organized, right? A team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Dr. Raut gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. So, the first person to donate the blood was head of HR department. After that, a large number of employees donated blood with beaming faces and a proud heart. Refreshment was provided before and after the donation of the blood to each donor. A certificate of appreciation, donation card, and a tea mug were given to each donor as a token of gratitude. So here how it was organized, how it was conducted, it's written. So here you have to remember to give proper verbs. Okay, so see here how it was provided and all that. So proper verbs and adjectives you should use to get a clear idea, right? And next you have the conclusion. As the end of the event was approaching, there was a sense of satisfaction on the faces of volunteers as a total of 257 units of blood was collected. The team of doctors appreciated all those who participated in the camp and making it a huge success. So what do you find? It ends with a positive note. So your report should look like this. Okay, first you have the heading, okay, and then you have byline, and then you have the date, place, and the date, and then you start from the after the colon only you have to start, right? So you have the introductory paragraph, and then you have the content, and then at the end conclusion. I hope you have understood what is the format and how you should write. Now I have an assignment for you. Your school had organized an inter-school science exhibition in which about 50 schools had participated. Write a report to be published in the school magazine. Children, this you have to write in your composition notebook. So remember the questions, okay, the 5 questions and how. The 5 questions, yes, what, who, when, where, why. should come in the introductory paragraph, right? And then how you have to write in the body, right? Conclude it properly, and then you have to, now since here it is given school science exhibition, you have to write about the chief guest also. Okay, who was the chief guest, right? You can write a quote also. Okay, congratulated all the schools, those who have participated, and at the end, how was the event? I hope it is very clear to you how to write a report. Write it in your composition notebook. So today I end the session here. Thank you. Take care.